This is Tony of Tony 10 Speed, and this is my brief but spectacular take on Freehub wear. In our last video, we talked about Freehub failure, but wear to the external surface of the Freehub is equally as important, but rarely discussed. Freehubs come in both steel, titanium, and alloy. This is usually dictated by the wheel manufacturer. Some prefer alloy because of its lightness. However, some less expensive cassettes consist of multiple individual cogs with very narrow edge splines. What happens to an aluminum Freehub is that the low gear cassette sprockets, which create the most torque, can dig into the spline, which is causing pitting. The pits and burrs make it impossible to remove the cassette, requiring either some expertise or taking it to your local shop. I myself prefer steel or titanium Freehub, which has much greater durability. Some hubs are made of alloy, but they have a steel reinforcement in some of the splines to prevent grooving or damage. If you do get some minor pitting on either alloy or even steel, you can use a file to file down the edge so the cassette doesn't get stuck, and you may be able to use the Freehub for a little bit longer before you have to replace it. Three important points. The first, match the cassette and chain to the same make as the derailleur. This is especially important in 11 speed. Go with the highest level of cassette that is reasonably priced. With the higher levels, the larger cogs are usually made of a single piece of steel, such as in this Shimano or SRAM, and that helps distribute the torque over a greater range, and you'll get less pitting of the Freehub. And don't forget to lightly grease the entire Freehub. This will prevent the cassette from getting frozen to the Freehub and make removal a lot easier. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Please subscribe to keep up with our videos. This is Tony of Tony 10 Speed. Safe cycling.